This 2017 Heartland Cyclone 3814 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features TV, refrigerator, LP detector, DVD player, air conditioning, oven, microwave, leveling jacks, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.